In Washington, U.S. Secretary of State Marco Rubio has outlined the objectives of America's ongoing operations in Iran, describing them as very specific and urging clarity and public discussion about the campaign. Rubio emphasized that the U.S. has a clear plan in place and said that those seeking understanding should write them down. According to Rubio, Washington's objectives include the complete destruction of Iran's air force and navy, as well as a significant reduction of its missile launching capabilities. Additionally, he highlighted the goal of destroying factories responsible for producing missiles and drones, ensuring that Iran cannot replenish its weapons stockpile. Rubio stated that the US is currently on pace and in some cases ahead of schedule, adding that these objectives will be achieved in a number of weeks, not in a number of months. Rubio also addressed Iran's nuclear ambitions, asserting that the country must never acquire nuclear weapons. In an interview with Al Jazeera, he said that Iran must cease sponsoring terrorism and halt the production of weapons that threaten its neighbors. Rubio pointed to the short range missiles launched by Iran, stating that their sole purpose is to target Saudi Arabia, the United Arab Emirates, Qatar, Kuwait, and Bahrain. He added that the Iranian regime aims to possess nuclear weapons to threaten and blackmail the world, but Washington will not allow this, citing the severe danger posed by Iran's ambitions. The Secretary of State stressed that Iran must take tangible steps to abandon its nuclear program and ambitions to acquire nuclear weapons. In parallel, Tehran must stop producing missiles and drones. Rubio further warned against Iran controlling the Strait of Hormuz, calling the country's threats of establishing a toll system there unacceptable. He said Washington would not allow Iran to control this vital passage for global energy shipments. Rubio also spoke about diplomatic efforts. He noted that direct messages and talks are taking place between Iran and the United States primarily through intermediaries. He mentioned that President Donald Trump prefers diplomacy and achieving results through negotiation, and that opportunities for peaceful resolution could have been pursued earlier. However, Rubio criticized Tehran for allocating its wealth to support Hezbollah, Hamas, and militias in Iraq, while simultaneously threatening its neighboring countries. He added that the US would welcome a scenario in which Iran is led by a regime with a different vision for the future and that would act decisively if such an opportunity arises. In addition to Rubio's statements, President Donald Trump said that America is in serious discussions with what he described as a new and reasonable regime in Iran. In a post on Truth Social, Trump claimed that great progress had already been made. He warned that if a deal is not reached soon or if the Strait of Hormuz is not immediately open for shipping, the US would take severe action. Trump specifically mentioned targeting Iran's electric generating plants, oil wells, and Kharg Island, with the possibility of also striking desalination plants. He described these measures as retribution for Iranian actions that have resulted in the deaths of American soldiers and others.